I started BitTycoon recently, and I wanted to show you how it stacks up to other cloud mining apps like Go Mining and the Bitcoin mining app. Free users can watch an ad that will give you 5.5 gigahertz per second for 2 hours. You can stack this 20 times for a total of 40 hours, and 24 hours will get you about 14 sats. The app will allow you to withdraw increments of 2200 sats, meaning it will take you 157 days watching 12 ads a day to be able to withdraw from the app. So if 5.5 gigahash per second is giving me 14 sats a day, then 611 should give me over 100 times that, right? I'm not a fan of limited time contracts, but I had some free Google Play money, so I decided to try it out for a month. A day later, and I can report that I'm receiving about 200 sats a day, well below 100 times 14 sats from 5.5 gigahash per second. And 200 sats a day will give me about $5 worth of Bitcoin over a month. So there is some funky math here, and I do feel like I was tricked a little bit into buying this, but since it was free money for me, I'm not going to consider it a big deal. But needless to say, I won't be renewing my contract. I will have enough to make a few withdrawals, so I will make a video on that if I have no problems. The app does have a referral code that you can send out, which means you'll receive 20% of your friends' earnings. If you do use my invite code, you'll receive a free mining contract, according to the text that's copied when you click the invite button. If you do decide to use the app, please use my invite code 44060394. It really helps out the channel, and like I said, gets you a free bonus miner. If you're a free user, this is just another app where you can stack sats slowly. I know 2200 is a pretty high mark, but it's not unobtainable. As far as purchasing contracts, I'd have to say that Go Mining and the Bitcoin mining app are definitely better with their lifetime contracts. And honestly, just buying Bitcoin outright is better than buying one of these contracts, in my opinion. One last thing I wanted to go over is Tycoon Points. Tycoon Points can be earned by watching ads, buying contracts, and getting invite codes. Eventually, these will be used to buy cryptocurrencies and other goods and services. Once this rolls out, I'll make another update video, and I'll determine whether this makes this app more profitable than it is now. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. I'm always on the lookout for more ways to make you Bitcoin and other passive income, and giving you an honest breakdown of these apps. I appreciate you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.